Hello children, good morning to all of you. Welcome back in mathematics class and we are studying algebraic expressions. Today we are going to learn the subtraction of algebraic expressions. Okay, so see the questions I have written on the board. Subtract. The first one is we have to subtract 3a minus 2b plus c from 5a minus 3b minus 5c. So how to write it? We have to subtract from this number, so that expression will be written first, 5a minus 3b minus c. From this we have to subtract. When you are going to subtract one algebraic expression, so write that expression in bracket. This is a necessary point. When you are going to subtract, then the next algebraic expression must write in bracket 3a minus 2b plus c. Understood? Now open the bracket. 5a minus 3b minus c minus when you open the bracket, the sign of all the terms will be changed. Plus 3a becomes minus 3a, minus 2b becomes plus 2b, plus c becomes minus c. This is why this bracket is necessary to apply. And why the sign is changed? Because when minus is multiplied with the sign, when minus is multiplied with plus sign becomes minus, minus into minus becomes plus, and when minus is multiplied with plus becomes minus. So be careful when you are doing subtraction. Okay. Now after this question is same as the simplification. Write down all the like terms together. 5a minus 3a together, minus 3b plus 2b together, minus 5c and minus c together. Now like terms, 5a minus 3a plus 2a, minus 3b plus 2b is minus 1b, 1 is not written, minus 5 minus 1 will be minus 6. So minus 6c. This is the answer. Understood? Be careful. See once more. The second question. We have to subtract this expression from this one. So first we will write this expression. b square plus a square minus 2abc. Because we have to subtract from this expression. We have to subtract, so we will put minus, and then in the bracket we will write this one, 2abc minus a square minus b square. Okay. Now open the bracket. B square plus a square minus 2abc. When the bracket is open, all the sign will be changed. It will become minus 2abc. It will become plus a square. This will also be plus b square. After this, write all the like terms together. See here, b square plus b square plus a square plus a square. These are together, so we can add it. Minus 2abc minus 2abc will become minus 4abc. Because these are already together, so we can solve it. Minus 2 becomes minus 4. Now b square plus b square, 2b square, plus a square plus a square, plus 2a square, minus 4abc. This is your answer. Okay. Now see the second question. What should be subtracted from this? From this we have to subtract x plus 2y minus 3z. From this expression we have to subtract something. Suppose we are subtracting a. Always take that variable which is not in the question. Don't take xyz, because xyz is present in your question. Okay. Suppose we are subtracting a. And what we are getting? We are getting 3x minus y plus z. Understood? From x plus 2y minus 3z, we are subtracting a so that we can get 3x minus y plus z. Now, this a is negative to transfer right hand side. Then it will become positive. When a is transferred right hand side, it will become plus a. Transfer these numbers left hand side. X plus 2y minus 3z. When these numbers will come left hand side, their sign will also change. Plus 3xy plus 3x becomes minus 3x, minus y becomes plus y, plus z becomes minus z. Understood? Is equal to a. Now solve and get your answer. X minus 3x together plus 2y plus y. You can add directly also. Minus 3z minus z is equal to a. Now x minus 3x is minus 2x, plus 2y plus y is plus 3y, minus 3z and minus z is minus 4z. That means we have to subtract minus 2x plus 3y minus 4z. Understood? You can write one statement. Suppose a is subtracted. Similar question is the third one also. What should be added to this? So you can write your statement. Let x should be added. Always take that variable which is not given in your question. In your question a, b, c is given. That is why I have taken x. Okay. Now what is your question asking? What should be added to this? Suppose x is added to 7a minus 9b plus 13c to get means equal to 9a plus b minus c. See, your equation is ready. You have to find the value of x. You have to find the value of x, then transfer all the numbers right hand side. 9a plus b minus c, that is right hand side. Transfer this number right hand side, then all the sign will be changed. Plus 7 becomes minus 7a, minus 9b will become plus 9b, plus 13 will become minus 13c. Understood? When a number added or subtracted number is transferred other side of equal, then the sign is changed. Plus sign is changed into minus, minus is changed into plus, and plus sign is changed into minus. Okay? Now write down all the like terms together. 9a minus 7a plus b plus 9b minus c and minus 13c. Now 9 minus 7, 2, so there is 2a, plus 1b plus 9b is plus 10b, minus 1 and minus 13 is minus 14c. This is your required number. Okay? Now see the question number 4. How much is this less than this? See this one. How much this number is less than this number? So how will you find? What you have to do? Take one easy number in your mind and then see the process. How much is 8 less than 10? How much is 8 less than 10? Definitely 2. 8 is 2 less than 10. But from where you are getting 2? By subtracting 8 from 10. So same process you will do here. How much is 8 less than 10? Then your method is 10 minus 2. That means required expression is equal to 3 minus 2x plus x square minus x cube minus x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 2. Is the process understood? How will you find the method? Suppose in algebraic expression you are getting confused what you have to do, then in place of algebraic expression take a simple natural number and then find the method. As I told you, how much is 8 less than 10? And then you got the method 10 minus 8 means second number minus first number. So here second expression minus first expression, and whenever you subtract The second expression is kept in bracket. Now solve and get your answer. 3 minus 2x plus x square minus x cube minus. When you open the bracket, all the sign will be changed. Okay? Plus x cube becomes minus x cube, minus 3 becomes plus 3, plus 5 becomes minus 5, minus 2 becomes plus 2. Now, to solve it, write all the like terms together. 3 and plus 2 together. Minus 2x minus 5x. Then after, plus x square plus 3x square. Minus x cube are already together, so you can solve it. Minus x cube and minus x cube becomes minus 2x cube because similar sign add together. Okay? Now 3 plus 2 is 5. Minus 2 minus 5 is minus 7. Plus x square plus 3 means plus 1 plus 3 is plus 4. Now last term is minus 2x cube. So this is your answer. Now pause the video and note down these questions. Okay, now see some more questions. Question is asking, subtract the sum of this and this expression. We have to subtract the sum of these two from the sum of these two. See, we have to subtract. When we subtract, we put the minus. We have to subtract the sum of. We have to subtract the sum of two expressions. First expression is x square minus 5xy plus y square. This expression plus y square minus 2xy minus 3x square. Understood? We have to subtract the sum of these two from the sum of. Again from the sum of two expressions. We have to subtract. Subtract means minus. We have to subtract the sum of these two from the sum of these two. Sum means addition. From the addition of two expressions. And what are the two expressions? First expression is 6x square minus 8xy minus y square. And second expression is plus 2xy minus 2y square minus x square. Is this clear? Now, to solve it, first remove the bracket. You can solve both the brackets separately also, and if you wish, in one step you can remove the bracket. See, 6x square minus x square. We can write together. Minus 8xy plus 2xy. We can write together. Minus y square minus 2y square. Bracket is removed. Bracket is removed and we have written like terms together. Now in this question, when we open the bracket, all the sign will be changed. This is the important point. Otherwise the solution will be wrong. When you are opening the bracket of the right hand side, this one, since there is minus, then in the bracket all the sign will be changed. Okay? Now write down all the like terms together and then solve it. 6 minus 1. This is 5x square minus x square plus 3x square. Minus x square plus 3x square. I have written all the like terms together. Minus 8 plus 2. It will be minus 6xy minus 8 plus 2. Minus 6xy. Now here 5xy 2xy plus 5xy plus 2xy. Okay? Minus y square minus 2y square is minus 3y square. Here minus y square and minus y square. Calculation you can do according to your own convenience. There is no hard and fast rule for that. Just like I am arranging, you can do directly also. Just calculate and get your answer. Okay? 5x square minus x square 4. 4x square plus 3 is 7x square. minus 6 plus 5, minus 1 and plus 2 is plus 1, so plus xy. Minus 3 minus 1, minus 4 and minus 1 is minus 5y square. So this will be your answer. Now see the last question. By how much does this number exceed this expression? Exceed means subtract. How much this number is more than this number? So this process is very simple. From 3x cube minus 5x square plus 2x minus 3, we will subtract the second expression. If the exceed word comes in the question, then it's very easy. At the place of exceed, put minus. And the meaning is how much first expression is more than the second one. Okay. Now solve and get your answer. 3x cube minus 5x square plus 2x minus 3 minus 2x cube plus 3x square minus x minus 1. Because outside the bracket there is minus. When bracket is removed, all the sign will be changed. Now to solve it, write down the like terms together, both x cube together. Now x square, then after x, and then without x, constant numbers. Okay. Now 3x cube minus 2x cube is 1x cube, that will be written only x cube. Minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2, so minus 2x square, plus 2x minus x is plus x, minus 3 and minus 1 is minus 4. Okay. Now pause the video and note down these questions. Now this is your homework, children. Question 1, subtract. The first part is 5x square minus 3xy minus 7y square from 3x square minus xy minus 2yz. Second subtraction is subtract AB minus BC minus CA from 3AB plus 2BC minus 4CA. Second question is subtract 6x cube minus 5x square minus 4x minus 3 from x plus 2x square minus 3x cube. Third question is subtract the sum of A plus 2B minus 3C and 2C minus 3B minus 4A from the sum of 5B minus 4C plus A and 2C minus 3B minus 4A. Fourth question is what should be subtracted from 1 plus x minus x square to get 2x plus x square. Fifth question is what should be added to 1 plus 2x minus 3x square to get x square minus 2x plus 1. Sixth one, how much is minus x square plus 7y square minus 3xy less than 2x square minus y square plus xy. This is your homework. Must do the homework and after doing send it to me for correction. Okay, bye bye.